Hey friends, you're watching BrainStormAcres. I'm Henry. Well, right before we left to go to our big cross-country trip, I had a battery fail in our solar system. I'm going to go out and see if I can figure out what the problem is. I've already taken the screws off the face plate, so I'm ready to start taking it apart. It's a little scary because it's an expensive battery, but I have to do it because that's the only way to fix the problem. There's charge controllers. They're going to put more power into the two batteries that I've left running. I've isolated the third battery and everything seems to be turning on. So I'll let this record and we'll talk about it later. battery taken apart. I've measured the battery voltage. There's still a few problems that might happen, but I've contacted the supplier. They're going to be sending me a diagnostic tool. It's going to take a few days to get here. In the meantime, I'm going to talk to them about my trickle charging power supply. They don't want to have more than 10 amps going into the battery, but this charger is at 13 amps, so I'll have to contact them and see what they have to say. Hopefully this is going to go easy and we'll be able to get things going again. Otherwise, I'll have to go do a warranty claim. We've got a lot more stuff going on, and I'm going to be going over to a friend's house and helping her with a drip irrigation system. Now, she's using a 300-gallon tank here connected to a garden hose, and we've just installed a house power pump. That's a pressure pump that's going to go ahead and put 40 psi out to go to the drip irrigation system that waters her garden. Well, the mini drip irrigation system is all set up. It previously been gravity fed from a small tote, and so the property owner had drilled out the emitter locations. It was just the regular emitters out of a tube. Those are too big once we put the pump on it and was pumping the water from the tank. A timer, a pump, and the right drip irrigation did the trick. Her garden was safe. It worked fabulously. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications, because we're doing a lot more stuff. I still have to get that battery charged. I have to talk to the supplier to make sure that the amount of current that I'll be putting into it is acceptable.